Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a dope-ass profile picture that is going to keep you in the memories of your customers, your clients for a really long time. So basically, a profile picture is almost as good as your logo. It helps to identify you easily. So it's very important for you to have a very unique and very different looking profile picture. So I'm going to teach you how to create a profile picture in just a few minutes without any stress. So watch till the end, it's going to look really good. So basically, you want to start off by getting a really good background. I'm going to use something like a circle for mine, since let's assume that we're using WhatsApp or Telegram or Instagram or LinkedIn. Most of the times you notice that the profile pictures are always round, so you can go to circle on just go to your elements, search for circle, then let's use this looks really good. And we can also change the color. We can change it to, all you need to do is just click on it, then it will bring out the options at the bottom. Click on color. You can change it to any color you like. I love red because red is a very vibrant color. It's always catches people's attention. It's a really awesome color. Okay, so now let's center it in the middle. We're going to align this in the middle. Then after that, we're going to go for our picture. You can either pick up your picture from your gallery, or you can upload the picture to Canva. So basically, let's go to upload. I think I have a couple of pictures we can use. So let's use this. So I'm going to be using this really cute guy. So something I like to do to make the picture stand out is we can add a filter to this picture. So basically, we can either go to effects, and there are so many types of filter we can use. The screen, so many, or you can go to filter itself. Okay, so basically I want to make this picture black and white. Oh, this looks great already. This looks so yummy already. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, you notice that this picture doesn't sit right inside this as a profile picture. So we're going to go back to our elements, click on elements. Then we need a frame, a circle frame. So you can always just scroll down in your elements, click on frame. Then we need to center this as well. You need to center the frame to make it fit. Okay, so whenever you're having issues fitting, you can always use the nudge tool. It's very effective. So then after that, we just pick up the image, then simply drop it into the frame. Oh, this looks amazing. So what we're going to do is, the profile picture is basically supposed to highlight who you are. It's your identity, so you want your face to be clear around it. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on crop. So crop is going to give us the ability to adjust the image that is inside the frame. So I want the focus to be on this guy's face. So done. See, we have a really awesome profile picture in just a few minutes. So you can always try this out, post it on your page and tag me. I would really love to see what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.